Hello and welcome back to another video by Prax Art Gallery. I am drawing realistic hair today and it took me 2 days to complete this drawing. So let's get started. So I'm using 5H pencil to draw the outline, and for all the hair shading I will be using charcoal pencil. I have used two different types of charcoal pencil. One is a Camlin charcoal pencil and another one I have just got it, which I don't know the name, maybe I'll put it in the description. So you can use any charcoal soft pencil, that will work. I am using this makeup brush to blend the pencil strokes, and the direction of the blending should be same as the direction of the pencil strokes, and the pressure should be very light. So I'm not applying a lot of pressure. It is just I'm moving my brush from one direction to other. So one key takeaways from this drawing is, while drawing the hair, you need to apply the pencil strokes very close to each other and go layer by layer. Do not rush, and if you do it, draw it layer by layer, automatically your hair will look very realistic. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Take care.